On 18th February 2025, a tailings dam at the Sino Metals leach mine in Chambeshi on the Copperbelt province collapsed, releasing about 50 million liters of acidic and toxic waste, including heavy metals, into the Chambeshi stream and the Chambeshi River. The spillage has caused widespread environmental damage and raised serious public health concerns from various stakeholders. And as of August 26, 2025, government says it is moving in to procure an independent consultant to assess the Chambeshi spillage. Speaking at the National Summit on Climate Change Adaptation, Minister of Green Economy and Environment, Mike Mposha, says government has taken note of various concerns raised by civil society organizations, prompting the various measures being implemented. Mr. Mposha reveals that Sino Metals had in February engaged a consultant to carry out an impact assessment, but the contract was terminated in May, prompting government to step in and hire its own independent assessor.
We need science-based results of what is on the ground. What is government doing? We are working on procuring an independent consultant who is going to conduct an assessment to give us a report in terms of the extent of the pollution, what heavy metals are in the environment and the water body.
He says once an independent consultant is engaged, findings from the Chambeshi spillage assessment will help guide remedial action and future safeguards of the environment.
If the report will come and inform us that the soil is polluted and it cannot be used for this period, at that stage we'll be able to say the people's livelihoods have been affected and will be affected for 2 seasons. And because of that, based on the report, we'll come back now and look at what additional compensation should be given to the people.
And speaking at the same event, Jesuit Center for Theological Reflection Executive Director, Father Daniel Mutale, has called for climate adaptation strategies that place young people and indigenous communities at the center of decision-making processes.
That not only respond to climate impacts, but are inclusive and just. We need to invest in local adaptation strategies, from early warning systems to climate-smart agriculture. We must center the voices of communities, especially young people and indigenous groups, in our climate response. And we must not only transition to a green economy, but to one that prioritizes sustainability over short-term gains.
The summit is being held under the theme Climate Action for Inclusive Growth, Protecting Zambia's Environment, Empowering Its People. Cherish Sibote for Diamond News.